So we managed to get our hands on one of these.
Woo.
Yeah.
If you want it for Christmas, we're going to show you how it works.
So, what's in the box? You get Mario,
A charger cable,
1, 2, 3, 4 gates to drive through, and a couple of arrow pointer signs.
First things first, you have to charge your cart. So, plug Mario into the wall.
Just bear in mind, the cable isn't that long.
It's worth mentioning at this point that we have a rabbit called Bailey who wanted to help out with this video. Thanks, Bales.
So, start up the game on your Switch, connect to your cart, and you're ready to go.
The first thing you have to do is set up your course.
Bailey, get out the way! Then, in the game, you drive round a lap to mark out your route with pink paint on your tyres. Now you're ready to race.
The game uses something called altered reality, so you can see your living room, but with other racers going around the track. And the racing is a lot of fun. This is what the game looks like compared to the real-life race course / living room.
Meow.
So Mario's been racing, we've been racing, and it was actually quite a lot of fun.
It's really good.
But there's one huge problem. Huge problem.
Huge.
You can't play two-player unless you buy another Mario or Luigi and another Nintendo Switch and then connect them together. So that's the only way you can make it work with two people. That's a huge amount of money.
Pretty pricey.
So,
But I've got to say, it was really fun. It was really, really fun. Being able to kind of race through your living room, your kitchen, and it's really weird when you're playing and you can see out of the corner of your eye the cart go past. That's really, really cool.
and the rabbit go past.
And the rabbit. Now, the only thing though, you got to make sure that you've either got wood flooring or really, really thin carpet, possibly even outside. But when it comes to thick carpet, it's not going to really go well. So just bear that in mind when you do get this. What would you give it out of 10?
7 out of 10 because of the price, but it was surprisingly good actually. The altered reality and the effects were super cool. The only other thing that I would say is that price-wise, you know how much it is. What would you say?
Yeah, so this is around £100, so it's not cheap, but it is pretty cool. For more information though, just head to the Naked Gaming Podcast, listen, subscribe, get in touch on Twitter as well. Be careful with that, it'll break.
Look at that cardboard.
Bailey's already chewed through it. Make sure you listen and subscribe. Cheers, bye!